applies it's all over like half of the nails. So I did see teal, and for 2 coat each layer I keep for 60 seconds, and then I did another layer which is the premium iHo transfer foil. Here for 30 seconds, and I add all the glitters on it, so it sticks all the glitter in like really concrete there. And I did matte top coat just so then that way I can using the transfer foil. So 30 seconds really is fascinating. I really like this one. Also, I also like this one as well. It's like I have a contrast of the 2 colors together. That is a cool one though. I think I like that one though. It's really cool though. That's like, this one has like galaxies and all the colors at the same. So 30 seconds. No, I want this. I want a pink. Really good press on. Really good rub. Oh, I like that. It transfers everything for you. And go ahead and using one of the illuminating gel painting. Now you can either doing as the gold or pink. Which one should we do? Either one, it looks good. So it just depends on your preference. I'm gonna use the pink one on. I like it because it's kind of a blending with the transfer foil. It's kind of makes it really nice and like defined. Hello, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikToks, and Twitch fam. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Happy Monday. Great, so go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. So now if you don't want anything else, you don't want any crystals, anything, you can top coat it. And here for 60 seconds, you're good to go. If you already decide you want to get some crystal on, we are going to start with the crystal trifecta, which is condensed glue gel, no wet top coat, and precision glue gel. So this is a 3-step method to definitely keep your crystal stay in one place. So if you have the troubleshootings with your crystal, they are not staying on, this keep like popping up in a couple of days, definitely crystal trifecta will be your bestie on your stations every single time. So we are going ahead and apply a little bit of the condensed glue gels and the no wet top coat. I'm excited. We're gonna using the ultimate crystal kits, and this going to be the perfect combinations kit, which is it have the 20 different colors and it have the a centerpiece in it as well. Okay, can I get the kits? I'm so excited. This one is so cute though. Maybe I should take the lid off. I'm in love with this. Oh my gosh. Now it's like having a hard time pick which one I'm gonna do now. That is so beautiful. I'm gonna use this one. Can you see? Is that better? Oh my god, that's so cute. Does it come with like so much frame and beads, metal beads mixings? So I'm not using that one. Oh la la, I have the heart right there. It's perfect combination. It had the shape, centerpiece also. I have, it's really cool. Now I have the shape, the butterflies. It's random mix. Oh, this butterflies is so cute. Perfect. And a lot of questions were asked how I do the crystal placements. Really simple. Basically, you're just getting a centerpiece first, and in this centerpiece, I using it is the frame, and I add the SS20 on. I'm gonna use some beads. If you don't want any beads on, you can definitely like skip this part and cure for 60 seconds. But I love to add some beads on to make it looks like you are doing a piece of like jewelry. You happy with this? We're going to cure this for 60 seconds. Just a couple more. How's everyone doing today? Happy Monday. We just have such a really busy Monday and productive day. So I'm so excited to be back with another tutorial. So let's recap this for a lot of users tuning in. Welcome to Glitz Subscription Box live tutorial. I am doing the crystal design using Ultimate is kits, perfect combinations, and on the top of the newest spring collection gel polish, which is the color teal, and I did the foil, which is from the newest box of the foil, which is a special sales going on. And now we're here for 60 seconds. So I did the teal on first, and then on the top of that I use this dramatic glitter, which is this spring and summer dramatic glitters collection. All right, so let's get into the next one. When you're waiting for that, yeah. Hey, you doing good?